Hello everyone, I am Reshma and today I am going to talk about the job description, and this is for Masters Hospital. So what is a job description? The job description is the narrative or written documentation about the duties and responsibilities, the tasks and the working conditions related to a job in the organizations. So this is the summary of the duties and responsibilities and the tasks of a particular job in the organizations. So if we take the example of the job description of a customer care executives. So what could be the jobs and responsibilities of a customer care executives? That could be the handling all the client requirements, assisting the clients in their all sorts of requirements, and solving out the problems of the clients, keeping all the records related to the clients, and giving reports to his or her supervisor or the managers. So these are the few examples of the task and responsibilities of a customer care executives. So in the job description of a customer care executives, these duties and responsibilities which just we have spoken about would be narrated in the job descriptions. So this is how the job description is written down, or it is documented. Now we'll talk about the importance of the job description. So the job description is very important in any of the organizations. The first importance of job description is that it helps in recruitment process. So the recruiters through the job description, he or she comes to know that what are the duties and responsibilities of a particular job. So on that basis, the recruiter selects the candidate. What could be the qualifications of a job holder, and how many years of experience the job holder should require as per the duties and responsibilities which are stated in the job description. So on that basis, the recruiter selects the candidates for a particular job. Okay, so the next importance of the job description is that it gives the clear picture of the duties and responsibilities to the job holder. So the person, the job holder is aware that what is expected out of him. So this helps the job holder to perform his duties and responsibilities even in a efficient way. Since he or she is aware about the job, he knows what the work has to be done by him or her. So this actually helps him to carry out his duties and responsibilities in a best possible manner. Okay, so the next importance of the job description is that the job description helps to frame the structure of the pay scale and also the grading of the job fairly and the logically. So once the maybe the HR department, they comes to know about the duties and responsibility of a particular job. So according to that, they will frame the pay scales. Maybe the salary of the persons will depend on the work he or she performs. So this is how we see that the job description also helps the management to define the salary and also to grade the job in the hierarchy of the organizations. And the next importance of the job description is that the job description also helps in framing the training and development programs. So here the trainer is aware about the job and responsibilities of a particular job holder. So on that basis, the training manager will plan out the training and development program which is required by the employees, the one who is performing a specific job. So this is how we see that these are the most important advantage or maybe the importance of the job description in the organization. So job description helps the organization in many ways, which have some of them we have spoken here.